What's up, YouTube? It's your friend Larry, aka Wheels O Fatty, and today I'm gonna be doing a pepper challenge video, I guess. What they call the muzzle loader. First, I guess, watched Shawn do it, and then a few other people, and I'll leave Shawn's description below. Thanks, Shawn, and by thanks I mean like thanks. Oh, this is gonna light me up. But yeah, check out his vids. He's got some great looking plants, and he does a lot of great reviews. So rock on, brother. Originally, I was gonna do it with the what I believe to be is the Congo, from what I've got from a couple friends on Chili Grower, what they think it might be, because I don't know much about them. But I actually want to like eat that one by itself later on, because I want to see what it tastes like. And but I've had boots before, so I figure I'll put it in a boot. And what I'm going to end up using inside it is, I don't know, I'm trying to find a way to get rid of it. Not my favorite. Dave's Insanity hot sauce. It's I don't know. You can taste the extract stuff, and yeah, I don't know. And also, I'm going to combine it with these bad boys. Jay's Red Ghost Scorpion. I got those through Jim Duffy, and I'll leave a link to his site in the description as well. Thank you, man. You didn't have to send them, and you did, and I appreciate it. And well, I'm gonna be on fire. Also, for anybody that wants to be a chili head, man, and you're in a chair, you know, there's a few things you got to do to prep a little different than able bodies. Of course, everybody wants to take Mylanta to help with the stomach. But if you can't control your whole system all the time, you may need some of this, which I definitely do. And you can't go without these for emergencies. Real Fit. Diapers for men. Men. Yeah, I wear a diaper sometimes when the time calls for it, and I'm proud. You know, all you guys can teach your kids to walk, but I'm going to teach my baby how to stun a diaper. Okay, sorry. Anyway, let's do this. I got a spit cup, and yeah, I'm nervous. So we'll see how it goes. Oh yeah, and I took some of the red, the Ghost Scorp, powdered it down, so that way I was able to put it in some chili the other day, and it turned out really good. It turned out all right. It was good stuff. Okay, let's see. Let's get the top off this bad boy. Alright. I don't know if there's a trick to it. Oh, it's so wet. Yeah, I've been a wimp all day today. I've been dreading doing it. But yeah, what I figure I'll do is, well, let's see if I can get some of these smaller pieces to fit in there easier. Alright. If you can't see, I'm pushing that. Oh God, Larry, you are a dumb person. Dumb person. Dumb. Oh, shove that in there. Oh, why? Sometimes I wonder why I do stupid things, and then I remember I always have, so I've never known any better. And yeah, okay. Well, that's about all I can fit in there. And I don't know if this will extend the pain or whatever. I know I'm going to be in. But whatever. It's going to hurt like hell anyway, so. Well, yeah. Oh. Okay. Let's see if I can't push that down. Huh. Stuck by your own stem. How does it feel? How does it feel, baby? Okay. And I don't know, honestly, if I'll end up bringing it back up. Actually, I should have brought a chuck it bucket. This one. This is old and dirty. This will do. Alright. Well, I may end up bringing it back later just because, like I said, yeah, well, I don't know. We'll see. Enough stalling. Here we go. Pray for me. Well, it's hot. It's hot. Whew. Oh yeah. Air everywhere. Wow. Yeah, it's hot. And I'm dumb. Oh. I'm trying not to breathe on my computer because I feel like my breath will melt it. All here. It's gotta burn. You know what? I'm a glutton for punishment. Oh, God. Just because I'm feeling ballsy at the moment. I'll throw the other one down. It's hot. You know, I still look damn good on the camera. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, it's so hot. Oh, the peppers were through a friend of a friend, and that is around here, and they call him Sam the Pepper Man. So, Sam, thank you. Carrie, you're awesome. Love you, girl. And, yeah, she's the one who contacted such and such and got me him. He also sent me the Congo. Sorry I'm dancing. I feel good. Mouth's on fire. On fire, fire. It's hot. It's on fire. And, yeah. Oh, I'm dumb. Why do you enjoy the burn? Why do you enjoy being dumb? Here, it's that tongue. The tongue. Oh, it's so hot. Oh, that's so hot. Oh, so hot. Oh, I'm so stupid. Yeah, don't recommend trying this. It's hot. I'm not joking. It's hot. You know, endorphin. Oh, this will be a little longer, I guess, because, yeah, you can't tell my eyes are all watery. And, oh, sorry. Sorry. Oh, it's hot. Yeah, but in a weird way, I like the burn. It's crazy hot. It's crazy hot. But I guess that's why we do it. We got something that's shorted up here. And we like putting atomic bombs in your mouth. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I don't know what the Scovilles on these things are supposed to be, but I look forward to trying it. I do have other videos that, oh, my spit's so hot. I need to post and edit and do, but I haven't got around to it yet, so I'm working on it. I want it to go down. I think it peaked. But it's up there. Oh, yeah. 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 We'll see if it stays down. Doing so good so far. I feel it all here. You know, the sauce helped in a sense, because the powder stuff, it's harder to put down, so the moisture. Oh, sorry, it's hard to talk. Moisture helps it move and break down a little easier, and yeah, it's hot. That is one mean sucker. Why I do this stuff, I don't know. But I got a nice little high. Endorphin rush, excuse me. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, y'all are nasty, man. How do y'all do this stuff? No, I sit there and ask y'all, and I go and do it too, because I'm dumb. You get addicted. You get addicted to that burn, and you crave it, man. But yeah, thanks again, Jim, for the dry seeds through the J Red Ghost Scorp dry pods. Shawn, thanks for the idea, brother. Muzzle loader. Sucker's hot. I think I want to, go stick my face under the tub. And thanks, Sam Pepperman. I don't know you. Hope to know you sometime. All the links of everybody will be down in the description. You know, not my favorite sauce. I might do a review on it later. I don't know. But yeah, I'll leave a link for that too down in the description. Yeah, some will like it. It's got a little burn, sticks and stuff. And yeah, I guess I'm gonna call it, guys. I'm gonna go get some milk. It's kind of dying down. My stomach's all tore up. And yeah, muzzleloader. Done. I'll see y'all later. Bye.